Wow.
Let's do it again.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wow.
Magic jack-o'-lanterns. You like it?
Welcome to Marcelo's Real World.
Welcome to Marcelo's Real World, your channel where small kids can learn English. Marcelo, remember to subscribe. Yes, today we have a Halloween video. We're going to show your friends many games to have some fun in Halloween. You want to start, Marcelo?
Yes.
Yeah, you're a skeleton today?
Yes.
Yes, and what are those over there, Marcelo?
Fire.
Spiders in? Bat in?
The big ones, where are the big ones? Where are those, Marcelo?
Go.
Ghosts,
Yes.
yes.
So, are you ready, Marcelo, to start with the first game?
Yes.
Oh, Marcelo, what do you have there? You have spiders and you have bats. What are you going to do? You're going to pick all the bat and put it with the black bat. Then you're going to pick the orange spider and you have to put it with the orange spider. And then the purple spider with the purple spiders. Let's see. I know
Wow.
you can do it. Pick one. Yeah, go.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Look, put it with the
Put it
big
in the blade.
orange spider. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now pick another one. Maybe a bat or a purple spider. Pick another one. You can do it, Marcelo. Ooh, purple. Good job. Try. Yeah. Woo.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. Oh.
Do it again.
Anna.
Try it again. Try it again.
Try it again.
Oh, they're gonna try with another one?
Help me.
Go.
Need some help? Where it goes?
Wow.
Yay! Now back. Take it back. Here, take it back. You can do it. Yes. No, it's a bat. It's not a skeleton. Marcelo is a skeleton. Close.
Yeah.
Oh, a bat.
Now put it in
Where
this
is the
plate.
bat? Where is the bat?
Your left.
No, it's not a real. No, it's not. Look, over there is the bat. Yes. You want to take another one? You want a surprise? Okay, so we're going to say bye-bye to this game?
Bye-bye.
Yes? Okay, we have another game with a magic water. You want to see the next one?
Let's do this.
Yes, we're going to say bye-bye to the spiders? Yes, bye-bye spiders. Oh, Marcelo, what are those? What are the name of those? What are the names?
I don't know.
Spiders? No, those are jack-o'-lanterns. Yes! And we're going to do a magic experiment with the jack-o'-lanterns. First, we need baking soda. Yeah, you're going to put it inside. Your jack-o'-lanterns. 1, 2, 3. Wait, Marcelo. Wait. 3, 4. We have 4. Let's put it a little bit more. Here. 1. Put it more, Marcelo. 1. Very good. 2. Here. 2 jack-o'-lanterns. 3 jack-o'-lanterns. Here. This one. You don't want me to do it. You don't want to do it. And 4 jack-o'-lanterns. And now we need the magic water. But first we're going to add some color. We're going to add color red, Wait, be careful. Here. No. Yes, very good. Red. Let's put a little bit more here. Red here. Good job. Now let's put some yellow. Let's put some yellow here. Yellow. Let's put yellow here again. Yellow. And let's put some green here. Let's put some green here. Put some green. Do it. Okay, very good. Now look, Marcelo. You're going to see what happened. Here. First one.
Wow!
Now the second one. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Wow!
More.
More.
How cool is that?
This one. This one. This one.
Wow! Look, all the colored yellow blowing up.
And the last one. We need more water.
Yeah.
Oh, this one. Color green. Let's see what happened, Marcelo, with the magic.
Wow!
Let's do it again. Let's do it again.
Yeah.
The first one. The first one. What color is that? What color is that?
Go, go, go! Push it! Oh, look! All the red is coming out.
No. Here, like this. Like this. Now do it. Do it.
Wow! So we got yellow, we got red, we got green.
Yeah.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Wow!
And the last one again, color green. 1, 2, 3. Whoa!
Wow!
Magic jack-o'-lanterns. You like it? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, Marcelo. Now the surprise is coming.
You have to close your eyes.
1, 2, and 3. Oh, what's that? What's that, Marcelo? I don't know. What do you think is that?
What is that, Marcelo?
I don't know.
It's a phone. And we're going to use, look, we have here, we have here a pumpkin. We have
It's
here,
like Play-Doh?
yes, it's something like that, but it's fun.
Wait.
Look, Mommy's gonna open for you.
And this.
Yeah, it's so fun. I like it. I like the fun.
That's so cool!
Open that. Look.
Wow! Those are bubbles?
Oh. Ooh, we're fun. Yeah. Don't mix, okay? Don't mix the colors. Do not mix the colors.
What color is that, Marcelo?
Blue.
Yes.
Blue.
Color blue.
Look. You can do a jack-o'-lantern. Well, the jack-o'-lantern is not color blue, but if you want, you can do a jack-o'-lantern here with your fun. It's so fun. I like it.
Ah.
Look, you have here color. Orange.
Yeah,
Yeah,
faces
your
like that.
jack-o'-lantern is color orange. And we have here purple. We have here purple too. Look. You can do a moon with color purple. You can do a moon with purple. Oh, I like it. So cool.
Mommy, look.
And we have green too. We have color green. Let's see. And then we can do the black cat. It's not gonna be black, but we can
Look at that.
Oh, Mommy's gonna fit here. And look. Yeah, we can do a bat. Let's see if Mommy can do the bat here. Oh, I like it. Look. A bat, Marcelo. No, you don't want the bat? Your moon? Your moon here.
It's right over there.
Ah, you want me to try the moon? Let's see. Okay, Mommy's gonna try the moon. You can try the bat. Let's see if Mommy can do the moon. Oh no! Oh! I'm gonna try a little bit more here. So I can do a moon.
Do you like it, Marcelo?
Because Marcelo wants the moon. Ta-da! Look! The moon! Look! Whoa! Look the moon! Marcelo's moon!
How cool is that? Look.
I like it!
Oh, the moon is gone.
Yeah! Look! You want us to subscribe? Subscribe to everybody! Ooh. Wow. Say like, subscribe,